Hi everyone, and welcome along to today's video. So today's one is a little bit of a gripe really. I guess like me you're all pulling your belts in with this squeeze that we've got on at the moment. We've all got to cut back on our energy consumption, and we're all trying to make cutbacks where we can. So things like possibly nice things you liked, like going to clubs or doing anything that was your particular thing, going to the gym twice a week, you drop it to once. It could be things like your Netflix subscription, you drop it down to the standard definition to £7 instead of 15, and maybe you've got Amazon Prime and you think maybe that could go, but you know, you kind of keep pulling in the wedges as it were, and you go around shops like Lidl and Aldi instead of the other ones to get your food bill down a little bit more. You're doing all sorts of things, including not putting your heating on and putting on your gas cooker and your fire or anything like that. You're trying to hold it all back. Your electricity, you're trying to keep that down as low as you possibly can. So doesn't it really hurt when you get a letter through from your NH dentist that was to say that they're no longer going to be NHS anymore, they can't get any more NHS dentists, and therefore they're going private? And if you want to stay with them, they can offer you a credit plan where you pay £18.50 each a month. So that's not far under £40 a month for both of you, me and Jan. And over a year, as you can add up, that's quite a lot of money, isn't it? Now, all you get for that is two services, so to speak: check-up and you get a clean-up. So those two things, but everything else you've got to pay for anyway. So if you want to fill in or anything else like that, it will be at private practice rates, not NH rates. Now this is happening, I believe, all over the country. I dare say you're going to put some comments down below in the box to let me know what's happened for you. Say this has only just happened for us, and it was a bit of a kind of shock, and it makes a waste of saving all where you can, cutting your budget down, buying cheaper food, etc., you name it, to try and keep things going. Then you get a double whammy like this, don't you, whereby you've saved £40 odd maybe a month by doing these cuts and bits and pieces and saving, going cold where you could have had the heating on, only to find it's all wiped away because the dentists have decided that this is going to be the new thing. And obviously if you don't sign up within the next month or so of the contract, then you may miss your place there altogether. And what's more, all they offer actually in the dental treatment side of it is a 10% reduction what you would have paid for having this kind of like subscription thing, shall we call it, over the year. So bit of a whammy, probably just nothing to do with plumbing or that really, just about saving energy, this one. But I just thought you'd let you know, and maybe you could let me know how you're getting on with yours. And all these cutbacks, when you kind of feel like you're getting somewhere, then suddenly you get knocked back with something like this. And I guess it's happening on all sorts of things, isn't it? Okay, well that's all though. Let me know your feelings in the comments below, and catch you next time. Thanks very much. Good for watching, guys. Watching. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.